Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zikri Muhammad Fauzan, and this video I will present my final test analysis of the reading text entitled Transforming Islamic Elementary Classroom, a multimodal shift. In the first section, I will read a text titled Transforming Islamic Elementary Classroom, a multimodal. Let's start the reading. Transforming in Islamic Elementary Classroom, a multimodal shift. Because early childhood development requires multi-sensory engagement. Pedagogical method by development by PGMI Scholar are deemed more interactive than traditional lecture style. This dynamic shift, which unifies spiritual habits and digital phonics, the main continues in instructional upgrades from classroom practitioners, although resource contains persist and rural madrasah. This comprehensive approach success by cultivating moral behavior, engaging learners, and fostering routines are carefully modeled by educators because linguistic literacy accelerates early the highest fluency milestone record in this semester must be celebrated by instructor utilizing multisensory kits. That was part of the first section, the reading test. Now I will analyze the advanced grammar concept embedded within the text. Number A. Sentence patterns. In the first sentence, the subject is pedagogical method and the verb is are deemed. Number B. Adverb clause. First, adverb clause is because early childhood development requires multisensory engagement and the logical relationship is reset. Second adverb clause is atau resource contains persists in rural madrasah and the logical relationship is contrast or conjunction. Number C. Passive voice. First passive voice I found is are deemed and the second passive voice I found is will be permanently sustained. Number D. Modals and conditional. The modal and conditional I found in the scene consciously classroom harmony will be permanently sustained if contents are carefully modulated by educator. The modal price is will be permanently sustained and the conditional clause is if routines are carefully modulated by educator. Number E. Comparative and superlative. The comparative I found in the sentence pedagogical method development by PGMI scholar are deemed more interactive than traditional lecture style. The and comparative modifier is more interactive and the modifier or compress is pedagogical method compared with traditional lecture star and the superlative I found in the syntax. The highest fluency milestone record this semester must be celebrated by instructor analyzing multisensory kids. The superlative modifier is the highest and the modifier or range is fluency milestone. Number F. Reduced participle. The first reduced participle is developed by PGMI Scholar. The type is passive and the full form is which were developed by PGMI Scholar. The second reduced participle is record this master. The type is passive and the full form is which was recorded this semester. This part of the second session. Now, I will translate the reading text into bahasa Indonesia as follows. Transformasi kelas sekolah dasar Islam, pergeseran multimodal, karena perkembangan anak usia dini memerlukan keterlibatan multisensorik, metode pedagogis yang dikembangkan oleh para peneliti PGMI dianggap lebih interaktif daripada gaya ceramah tradisional. Pergeseran dinamis ini yang menyatukan kebiasaan spiritual dan fonik digital menuntut pembaruan pengajaran secara berkelanjutan dari pendidik di kelas. Meskipun keterbatasan sumber daya masih terjadi di madrasah-madrasah pedesaan, pendekatan komprehensif ini berhasil dengan menumbuhkan perilaku moral, melibatkan peserta didik usia dini, dan menumbuhkan pemikiran analitis. Akibatnya, keharmonisan di dalam kelas akan terjaga secara permanen jika rutinitas tersebut diteladani dengan cermat oleh para pendidik. Karena literasi bahasa berkembang pesat sejak dini, pencapaian tingkat kefasihan tertinggi yang tercatat pada semester ini harus dirayakan oleh para pengajar dengan memanfaatkan perangkat multisensorik. That brings us to the end of my presentation. I hope the insights I have shared today provide a clearer understanding of the topic. Thank you so much for your time and attention. If you have any question of talk, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a great day.